Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Index from the 2022 Wave 8. We have Chase Briscoe's HighPoint Next Gen car. On the back of the car, you can get the Trackhouse GoPro cars, Ryan Blaney's body armor, Eric Jones' tight car, and Noah Gregson's Wendy's car. And also look out for the Chase piece. Sorry about that, I nearly burped. Anyway, let's get Chase Briscoe out of the box. So here we got the sticker, which is the number 14, Chase Briscoe, and his sponsor, HighPoint. So here's a look at the car. So Chase Briscoe's car. So we got a nice blue with a white car. And the little difference is from the 2021 scheme, obviously there is a blue hood. And on the sides are mostly blue, but also there's like little gears, little lines going around, kind of like a data chip going around. So like HighPoint.com transforms you. I think they're like an electrical company or a tech company. So that's why there's all these little lines going out. On the side here, you got this. I'm not sure what it is. So we got, and also on the side here, you got sponsors like Gear Wrench, Rush Truck Center, the HighPoint logo on the side here. And on the back, you got a nice black and blue with the HighPoint Transform Hewitt. Your IT. So I think this must be, so like I said, it is a technical company. You got the front of the car, the lines go through here. I mean, it is a nice, it is a very unique car. Obviously, yeah, they did change this. Yeah, obviously they went from just a plain blue color to now with a blue with some lines, like I said. I'll give you a good close-up look of the car. And a 360 view. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.